Welcome to Witch Piece Craft. Today's video is the first in a series of what you can make with one skein or a small amount of yarn. My favourite one skein project is tea cozies or pot warmers. I have put together a slideshow of a variety of both crochet and knitted tea cozies that I have made over the last year. Teapots are coming back into fashion and tea cozies make a popular gift. Some designs are from free patterns I have found. Some are from patterns I have adapted and some are my own creation. In the description below, I will put some links to free patterns I have used. Enjoy the show. I hope you enjoyed this video and have the urge to make a tea cozy. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and hit subscribe to receive notifications on new projects. I'm putting together a small subscriber giveaway soon and you must be in it to win it. So craft on and enjoy your day.